Let us see yung progress, no? Development here. Ito yung ginawa nito. There's heavy equipment here. They're putting parang concrete benches, steps, stairs. This is the place of yung Bohol Divers na club. Ito yung mga construction. So one way to protect yung area na to from erosion. Tama po yung pagkagawa nito. Compliant po ito sa mga environmental standards. And Philippines kasi is known for yung violation, no, ng mga environmental regulations. Sikat tayo dyan because of the massive and pervasive corruption in government. So kung corrupt yung DPWH, you have also DNR, very corrupt. Why? Ang daming mga hindi nasusunod ng mga environmental laws. You know, and you have also this one. They have 7-Eleven here, no? So commercialized na talaga yung area. Pwede pa dito kumain, no? Thai seafood restaurant here. Okay, going here. Tingnan mo, white sand na white sand. Puno na ng construction, no? Grabe. Panglao is really being converted, no, as a tourist site. Daming Koreans also.